Hey guys, just thought I'd do a bike check on my new Lapierre that I've had for about 6 months now. I really like it, and I'll just go through some of the parts that are on it. It's got Elixir 9 trail, 4-piston hydraulic brakes, RockShox reverb seat post, Raceface Atlas bars and turbine stem. It also has the XO1 by SRAM with the 1x11, which I really like so far. It's been great. Haven't had any problems, as people say, like you need to be a pro athlete to pedal it. Well, I can tell you I'm not a pro athlete, and I've still been able to pedal it and get up more stuff than I could on my old bike, which was apparently a piece of shit compared to this. I really like the suspension action. I've ridden Giant and Trek dual suspension bikes, but I really like the OST Plus here. I think it's a great design, and it blows those two out of the water. It really is quite good. It's got a little lemon on it, and Fox 32s, which some people say aren't good for trail riding, but I've gone over really rough stuff on this, and I can say I've come out on top. I've only ever crashed this bike once, and that wasn't too bad. It's got Eastern Vice wheels, Schwalbe knobby nicks on it, which have been great. They really go well climbing and descending. I find I've never lost grip on anything. Fox float CTD at the back. Aluminium rear swing bar, and cool graphics all over this bike. It's got Zesty written everywhere, and the Lapierre logo. You can actually, I don't know if you can see it on there, but you can really see the carbon in this, and I like that. Yeah, it's got a physics seat, which is the most uncomfortable piece of crap in the whole world, and I would rather my $20 Norco seat over that I had on my last bike. Yeah, it's got a big chunky bottom bracket there, which has no movement down there when I pedal, and it's been great. It's comes with a chain guide on there, and yeah, I've never had any problems with it. I really like it, and it rides amazingly. It's the best thing I've ever ridden. Wish could have taken it with me to New Zealand, but just couldn't. So thanks for watching, and yeah, buy a Lapierre bike because they're just really great and awesome, and they ride really well. Thanks. Bye.